Another unboxing video. This time it's for the Seasonic PRIME Titanium 1000 watt power supply, 80 plus certified, European Hardware Awards 2017. Best PSU series is the Seasonic PRIME Titanium, and this is the 1000 watt version. Nicely wrapped up. So we'll break the seal on it. Let's see what we've got. Very shiny box. It's just rubbish, so we'll chuck that on the floor. There's a quick look at the cables, but it's so reflective. All you can see is me and the camera. What about that? Can you read that? Probably not. That's the various specs. I'll read them out. It's the PRIME Ultra 1000 Titanium SSR-1000TR. Blah blah blah. Total output 1000 watts. So we'll open it up and see what we have got. Oh, it's upside down. Goodness me, it's heavy. So that lifts up there. Does that one come out of there or not? What does it do? Nope, it just lifts out. Turn it round. So the first thing is a bag of bits. Various cable ties, plastic cable ties, and the annoying Velcro fabric ones. There's a case sticker, a manual. Take out your old power supply first and then put the new one in. Okay, there's a bag of screws and quite a case decal. Let's just actually have a look at that. That's quite funky. There's a sticker. There are the branded Seasonic Velcro ties. Not a fan of those. That's pretty good. Shiny. Quite a substantial little case sticker and a little manual which nobody ever reads. And what's this? Oh, that's I don't know what that is. Right, that's not very. Oh, it's just a little booklet about how good it is, but seeing as it's already been purchased, I probably looked into that, so that's worth this. Power supply user's manual, mostly in different languages. Please read chapter 2, warning, important safety information. Oh, there it is there, look, it's handy. Don't open it, don't eat it, don't put your finger in it. Doesn't say any of the last two, but anyway. UK mains power lead, which is nice. Not sure what that is. I think that's a power supply test thing. I think you plug that in and it powers up. So if you're doing water cooling, you can pre-fill the tubes with the motor running without obviously powering it up without any water in. Oh, this is a big bag of bits. So fabric bag, and inside the fabric bag are all the components for the cables. I'll come back to those once we've got to the main vent. Bit of foam. Another bit of foam. Get the big box out of the way. There's that one, get out of the way. Oh, it's in its own little velvet bag. Lovely. Which they've tied up loosely. Okay. Oh, there's a train. No edits, remember. Oh. It's a very nice little bag. So let's take it out of the bag. So someone put it in the bag and now we're taking it out. There's the back. hybrid mode. I think that's obviously if it wants to be quiet or not. That's very shiny. There's a little cover of plastic on that. I must remember to take that off. There's one end of it, showing all the connectors. Motherboard, CPU, PCI Express, and peripheral ID, SATA, and Molex. There's another little sticker covering up the Prime logo on the side. It's got a fan in it, but I think hybrid mode means that it goes a bit quiet. Probably won't be doing that. There's the little sheet on it, look. I'll take a sheet, it's a sticker, isn't it? Showing the power outputs and the model number. Put that down. Let's tackle this. It's a very substantial bag. Junk. PCI Express. PCI Express. PCI Express. There's 6 ones, and they're all sort of 6, 8, because they've got a little one that twiddles out. So 1, 2, 3. That's the processor one, CPU. That's another CPU one. PCI Express. PCI Express. That one's doubled up. This is interesting. So are those doubled up? Those are single cables, and that one's doubled up. That one is power supply and PCI Express. So there's 4 of those, and that's another PCI Express, and that's the main Molex power connector. PSU. That's CPU one. PSU. That's CPU one. Those two. Let's see what's in this one. SATA 1, 2, 3, 4. SATA slightly different on this one because you've got the ones that are sticking out like that, whereas that one doesn't have them. 1, 2, 3, 4 on there. More SATA. Another 4 SATAs. A couple of Molex. 3 Molex in fact. That's another couple of Molex. 2. That's more SATAs, but this time it's an extension cable. That's Molex to floppy, in case you've got something that uses a floppy connector. Some sound cards really, not floppy disk drives anymore obviously. And 2 more Molex. So in terms of cables, hang on, not Molex, SATA. 2 more SATA. So in terms of cables, you've got quite a selection, so you can fiddle around with the best configuration to minimize the cabling or whatever, because you don't have to plug them all in because it's entirely 100% modular. Any questions, obviously stick them in the comments. It's quite a nice thing. What you don't get is the smell. It's got a lovely new and electronic smell. So that was the Seasonic PRIME Titanium 1000 watt power supply, and thanks for watching.